A female giraffe gives birth while standing up.
True ba yan?
Yes. Alam mo naman yan eh, malaki ka na. Up the baby giraffe falls to the ground at birth. Sakit mo.
Sakit.
It can stand up a half an hour.
Buti pa sila nung nag-stand up na agad. Tapos, basta nga, can stand up in half an hour and then,
Standing up, the baby giraffe falls to around the birth, can stand up half an hour and run with his mother and hours after his birth. Hour after his birth.